Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can show your story in Instagram app to only one person. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. First of all, open the Instagram app on your devices. After that, proceed to create a story. You can tap on your plus image or just swipe from the left side to the right side to go to create a story. Next, choose some photo from the gallery, or you can take a photo yourself. And then you can make all the changes you need. That is, you can add text, add music, mentions, some effects, geolocation, poll, and so on. And then once you've made all the changes you think you need to make, at the bottom, click on this arrow here. Next, click here where your favorite friends are. And this is where you will need to keep only one person on the list. Or you can remove all but one person from your best friends list. Or you can just type, for example, the person's name into the search box and check them off. That way, you will only have one person left to view it. Next, click Save. Done. And that way your history will only be viewed by one person. And you can check this if you click on your history. Next, More. Next, History Settings. And now if you go to the Best Friends section, here you will see that your story is viewed by only one person who is in the Best Friends list. Friends, this is the simple method that you can easily show your story to only one person on Instagram. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.